Hey everyone, welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to overlay picture in Word like a pro. Overlapping images is perfect for dragging posters, thumbnails, certificates, social media graphics, and professional documents. If you want to place one image on top of another and control their position freely, this video is exactly what you need. So let's get started. Now we can see here as a main document. Now I want to overlay a picture. Now I'm go some down and we can see here already insert a picture, but now I'm overlapping the picture to another. Go back again the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file. Select the image, go to the format menu, click the wrap text option, choose in front of text because you can move the image anywhere. Then in front of the picture to this last picture. Then go to the picture format menu and here the picture. Now I'm click the picture correction and we can see here the preset, sharpness, brightness, etc. and here the temperature. We can see here many options. Now I overlap the picture here. You can see this way is very easy. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.